Again, give it some space to fill it up, right? We got our clean water here, we got our pH meters, and then we got a dropper. All right, make sure this is clean. And you want to rinse it out thoroughly between each one. All right, so we're doing the bloom mix. So we need 10 milliliters of silica. About 10 right there. Does not have to be exact. And TPS silica actually dissolves a lot faster. It's water soluble, unlike a lot of the silicas, which can take up to an hour to dissolve. Sometimes I like to shake it though. Only after the silica and the CalMag. Alright. Now we're just gonna douche this with water. Next up on the list, 10 milliliters of CalMag. Alright, make sure you flick all that water out. You don't want to cross-contaminate. Alright. Boom. Cover this up. I'm gonna give this a little shake. Next is 10 milliliters of Micro. Alright, that's exactly 10 right there. Micro always goes first out of all the nutrients. Even says it on the bottle. Alright, now we're gonna up the dosages. Dying to grow. This is gonna be 20. Next, after that, is going to be Floral Bloom, which is actually 30. So we're going to do 15 and 15. We'll do 20. There's 20, and then we'll do 10 next. This one will actually shake out a little bit. Right, next up is Signal. We're using 20 milliliters of this, which is mainly potassium. Alright, that's about 15, 16, 17, 18. We still need 2 more milliliters. So let's put that in. Alright, now optional is diamond nectar. Alright, this just helps plants absorb more. I don't use this all the time. I like to use it in the 3rd, 4th, 5th week of bloom though. Alright, we're gonna do 20. Doesn't have to be exact. We got 18, which is good enough for me. Alright, and then last, just to prevent things from growing inside, I like to add just a squirt, just a little tiny squirt to prevent things from growing. Alright, keep that sterile, and there you go. Just give it a good shake. And now we could test, double check the ppm. Alright, 3980. Now that the juice is done, you gotta carry this to someplace dark and cool.